As with the SUV, the interior of the Skoda Enyaq Coupe 4 is characterized by the new design selections. They are based on modern living environments and follow a certain style for the upholstery, decorative trims, dashboard and materials. The entry-level specification for the new coupe is the Design Selection Loft, presenting a modern and homely feel with easy-to-clean materials and a harmonious combination of gray and black shades. Particularly sustainable materials are used in the Design Selection Lodge. The seat covers are made of 40% natural new wool with the Woolmark Company quality seal and 60% polyester from recycled bottles. The dashboard is upholstered in fabric, soft materials, and light colors dominate. Leather and Suedia microfibre provide the Design Selection Lounge with distinct aesthetics and lend it a modern look. Colored piping and contrasting stitching are exclusive details. The Enyaq Coupe IV's range of standard equipment includes the digital cockpit with a 5.3-inch display and a 13-inch central touchscreen that provides access to the infotainment system and all vehicle functions. All coupes come with dual-zone climatronic, a 2-spoke multifunction leather steering wheel, sporting control buttons and knurled wheels for intuitive operation, and the Kesigo keyless start button. By the way, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell and thumbs up button if you find our videos informative. The models fitted with a larger battery also feature a heated steering wheel with paddles to adjust the degree of energy recovery. The equipment can be expanded with 10 optional packs arranged by elements, such as comfort, driving dynamics, climate control, assistance systems, and infotainment. Most of these packages are available as a basic as well as A+ bundle. The range of options for climate control includes heated front and rear seats as well as a heated windscreen and, for the Enyaq Coupe RS4, Tri-Zone Climatronic. The seating comfort pack offers electric seat adjustment. The Plus bundle also comprises a massage function for the driver's seat. A selection of individual options is available for all models. These include an anti-theft warning feature with interior surveillance, rear side airbags, an electrically retractable tow bar and a sports chassis which is lower by 15 mm at the front and 10 mm at the rear. This chassis, as well as progressive steering, comes as standard for the Enyaq Coupe Sportline 4 and the Enyaq Coupe RS4. The Enyaq Coupe 4 offers plenty of space for 5 people and their luggage. The long wheelbase and flat floor space mean that there is plenty of legroom. Despite the model's sloping roofline, the headroom is on par with that of a Skoda Octavia Combi. The boot has a capacity of 570 liters and, thanks to a low-loading sill and an optional electric tailgate, can also be conveniently accessed via the virtual pedal, which allows the tailgate to be opened with just a foot movement.